In today's video, I'm going to teach you rotate an object with angle, AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take any object in your drawing and rotate it precisely, whether you're aiming for a clean 45 degrees or aligning to a visual reference on screen. This is quick, reliable, and one of those essential skills you'll use all the time. Start by selecting the object you want to rotate. Click directly on it to highlight it. You can select a single line, a block, a polyline, or even multiple objects if they all need the same rotation. The important thing is to make sure the items you want are highlighted, so AutoCAD knows what to act on next. With your object selected, type RO on your keyboard and press the spacebar. RO is the shortcut for the rotate command, and using the keyboard is often faster than hunting for icons. The command line will prompt you for the next action, and you'll see that you're now in rotation mode. Next, use your mouse to pick a base point. This base point is the pivot around which the object will rotate. Choose a point that makes sense for your design, maybe a corner, the midpoint of an edge, or the center of a circle. The more meaningful this base point is, the easier it will be to get the rotation just right. If you use object snaps, you'll find it easier to hit precise points like endpoints or centers, which helps keep your rotation accurate. Now, you have two simple options. You can rotate visually with your mouse or type an exact angle. If you move your cursor around, you'll see the object dynamically preview its rotation around the base point. This is great when you want to align to something you can see on screen, like a wall, grid, or another object. Alternatively, if you need a precise value, just type the angle you want and press spacebar to confirm. AutoCAD measures angles in degrees, and by default, positive angles rotate counterclockwise. If you need a clockwise turn, type a negative value. As you move your mouse or type a number, you'll notice the angle feedback near your cursor or on the command line, which helps you verify accuracy before you commit. And there you go. The object is rotated exactly as intended. That's all it takes. Select, Start. Rotate with RO. Choose a solid base point and use either a visual reference or a typed angle to finish. Keep practicing this flow and it will become second nature in your drafting routine.